Back in the day, releasing your cover of a popular song involved jumping through all kinds of licensing and copyright hoops. Nowadays, thankfully, the process is much simpler. I'm going to show you how this works using the music distributor I use and the sponsors of this video, DistroKid. If you're unfamiliar with how getting your music onto streaming platforms works, I have a full explainer video that you can watch here. I've been using DistroKid for many years now. They make getting your music onto streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music and Tidal, etc. really easy. They're also really affordable and the fastest in the business. I've seen some of my releases land on streaming services in as little as 12 hours. If you want to give them a try for yourself, you can save 7% on any yearly plan if you join via my unique link. You'll find that in the description below this video. Alright, here's how to release your cover song using DistroKid then. In your DistroKid dashboard, head to Upload, then click on Upload Music. On the next screen, you'll want to fill out all the info the same way you would for a normal release, adding artist and track info and doing things like uploading album art, etc. If you do need a bit of help with all that, I do have a full tutorial that takes you through the process of releasing music through DistroKid step by step. I'll link to it down below the like button. When you get to the songwriter section, click on Another Artist Wrote It. It's a cover song. Here is where you'll find all the info regarding releasing cover songs with DistroKid. They make a point of saying that cover songs are okay. A cover song is a song that you performed and recorded yourself, but the music was written by someone else. For example, when your band plays Smooth Criminal, written by Michael Jackson, this is totally okay. DistroKid make it easy and legal to release cover songs. Releasing uncleared samples or remixes that include another artist's music is not okay though. It goes on to describe how DistroKid will secure a license on your behalf through the Harry Fox agency. They link to an FAQ for more info on HFA and what they do. Now, there is a fee for the licensing service here. $1 a month, for which DistroKid will obtain licenses, pay the original songwriter or songwriters every month, and they'll deal with other licensing stuff as well. Considering the money and time that this would cost having to do all this stuff by yourself, this is a ridiculously good deal if you ask me. Fill in the other details here and make sure to tick the "This track does not sample or remix another artist's recording" box. Then fill out the rest of the usual fields for your release as well. Hit continue and DistroKid will get to work. Note that securing cover song licenses can take up to 14 days, so you won't see the same almost instant release to streaming services that you would if you were releasing your own original music. Just bear that in mind. And that's it. It really is that simple to release a cover song through DistroKid. Let me know if you plan to release your own cover songs down in the comments and which ones you're going to go for. And if you could give that like button a good hard slap on the way past, I'd really appreciate it. And for more info on how to release your music onto streaming platforms, watch this next.